Your avatar's not just about looks, it's your secret weapon. I've just kitted mine out with a Cirque du Soleil costume. Let me show you how style and strategy go hand in hand. In the sandbox, your avatar isn't just a character, it's your digital identity. Deck it out with NFT wearables and make every move your own. Now, you've got a free avatar from Sandbox that you can change up as often as you like. Just head to your account, hit Customize Avatar, and you can change their body, their face, even their skin color. You can even switch up their clothes. Once you're done with all the changes, just click Save Changes. And the more NFTs you pick up, they go straight into your wardrobe, ready to chuck on your avatar. And for Alpha Season 6, Sandbox teamed up with Cirque du Soleil to bring a live, brand new transforming avatar collection. That means you can go and buy a Cirque du Soleil costume and kit out your avatar so you can change up your look and transformation in the game. Costumes also affect gameplay, and AP accumulation isn't just about looks. Say you want to make this mannequin. It brings up this page for me. You come here, pick the mannequin you want, connect your account, and pay for it. Each mannequin, with its stage-ready costume evolution, becomes a playable avatar, and both stages of these collectibles capture the magic of Cirque du Soleil. Plus, you can earn NFTs and sand quicker because each mannequin gives you different APs. And then you can also access premium quests, and even grab the Jurassic World booster to boost your AP rewards. Each costume comes in rarity tiers, from common right up to legendary. Legendary costumes give you the biggest boost, and of course a bit of visual bragging rights, and you can get one for 249 cents, which can net you up to 5,000 APs in Alpha Season 6 when you transform. So higher tier costumes bump up your AP multiplier. The APs you earn go towards your share of the sand pool once you've finished the premium path. And you can see that right now. Sand's offering a pool of 250,000 sand. In the marketplace, you can also buy, sell, or trade costumes and avatars, and you can do it straight through the Sandbox marketplace. There's also the Create option, where players can design their own assets and even make a bit of money from them. And you can list or even buy collectibles directly from the Sandbox website. Jurassic World eggs from previous seasons can still be burned for APs, and there are new abilities in the game too, like Dash and Glide, which you unlock with certain costume tiers. Don't just play, express yourself. Customize your avatar, equip powerful NFTs, and boost your gameplay while earning real rewards. Click the link in the description, have a go today. And Alpha Season 6 is where fashion meets function. Thanks heaps for watching this video. Don't forget to chuck us a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you. Thanks so much and catch you in the next video.